It is very important to clean and lubricate your Isofast Plus tool daily. This ensures proper functionality. SFS recommends major service by a certified specialist annually or every 20,000 settings. Pull the latch at the bottom of your tool, remove the guide plate, and open. Remove the two wing nuts. Tilt your tool back and open the base. Using a soft, dry cloth, brush, or blower, remove any debris from the following components of your tool: the feed tube, the guide plate, any internal components located at the base, the linkage system, and the telescope tube. Use the provided lubrication spray to coat the internal components of the base. When completed, lubricate other components such as the linkage system and the telescoping tube. When you are finished servicing your tool, tilt the base upright and secure the two wing nuts. Make sure the linkage system is connected with the slider guides and slide the guide plate back into the machine. Secure the latch and reattach the top and bottom screw pins. Press the handle down 3 to 5 times. Thanks for watching the Isofast Plus informational series. If you have any further questions, please contact your local SFS sales representative or visit us at us.sfs.com.